Hello, welcome back to Mad Crypto. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at Defi For You. This is a sponsored video, just to let you know that. But Defi For You is a decentralized lending platform. They've got some big things coming up and they have a very cool looking project. One of the biggest things about this right now is they are looking to get FCA licensed. It's a UK company and they're looking to get the main financial licensing company in the not company by the government is the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority, and they're looking to get a license by them. Another coin that did this is AAVE. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that. AVA, and when they got their license approved, it basically approves them to be a legitimate electronic money. And when they got theirs approved, they went from I think $90 or $60 up to around $500 where they are right now. The tokenomics on Defi For You are slightly different. It's got a bigger market cap. Sorry, it has got bigger market cap. It's got a bigger circulating supply as well. So the tokenomics are slightly different. But if they do get that, I think this will be a very, very big project going forward. And just with everything that they have going for them on the actual product itself, their lending platform, being able to use NFTs, your crypto as collateral. We'll get into that in a minute. It is a very good looking project and it's something I am investing in just for the fact alone that they're going for the FCA, the FCA license. I think that is a major thing in this project. And that's something I'm gonna be keeping you posted on in my daily videos. That is a big point for them. That's probably the biggest point for the project. Legitimacy within the regular financial world. And DeFi is another one of the hottest things in crypto at the minute. It has been for the last year and will be going forward. It's only going to get more integrated with the regular world. But before we get into the website, I'm going to show you a video from Defi For You from their YouTube page, and I'll be back here after that.
Defi For You is out to change the financial landscape. In doing so, we're going to help small and medium-sized businesses gain access to capital that banks have refused them. Pawn is one of the oldest and most profitable financial service known to us. Defi For You is bringing this industry out of the shadows and into the light. Thousands of SMBs have stock they can't finance. They've been hung out to dry by the banks. Defi For You will let them use that as collateral for a loan. Our team includes the founder of Traveller and the creator of Vehicle, as well as bank advisors and financial coaches. We know regulation is coming and we're going to be ready for it. The banks have failed us. The titanic e-commerce giants have too much power. We're here to disrupt. We're here to smite the titans. Visit Defi For You now to be a part of the next chapter of decentralized finance. Don't be left behind.
So that was a video from the Defi For You YouTube page. I'm going to put a link for their YouTube in the description and all their social medias. And I'd say advise to check out their YouTube because it is one of the better YouTubes of these crypto projects. One thing I have noticed, and I'd say you probably have yourself if you've been in the crypto space for long, is that a lot of crypto projects really don't put much effort into their YouTube page, and Defi For You have. So they've, I think they've 20 plus videos on their YouTube page, all within the last, all put out as far as 4 or 5 months ago. So they are updating that regularly and that's something good to see. So I'm on here now on CoinGecko. I usually use CoinMarketCap, but CoinMarketCap didn't have all the information for Defi For You. So we're on CoinGecko today. So Defi For You, the current price is $0.15, so 15 cents. The market cap is 57 million. The total, this is the circulating supply, is 376 million. There's some locked up, but the total supply is 877 million, and there's some locked up. There's some set for the team, and some set for like marketing and just workings and promoting the project. But the total total supply is about 870 million. Circulating supply is 370 million. And like that, the current price is 15 cents. Now I'll bring you over and look at AAVE, and their current price is $471. But one thing very different is they have a market cap of 6 billion. You can see that there now. And their total supply, their max supply is 16 million. So a market cap of 6 billion with a max supply of 16 million. We'll go back to DeFi For You. So we currently have a market cap of only 57 million. So there's a lot of room to grow, if even just to catch up to Avi. But then remember the circulating supply on this is 376 million and total 877. So slightly different tokenomics. I'm gonna let you work out that yourself. Just a little bit of maths there to work out if the DeFi For You coin reached the same market cap, then what would each coin be worth? I'm gonna leave that for yourselves. That's what I just wanted to show you, and I'm going to show you that was really the effect of getting licensed by the FCA for Avi. They reached a market cap of 6 billion. Like, that's a huge feat within the crypto world, and something I'd hopefully being an investor in DeFi For You, I hope to see with them as well. But we're going to get back over the website now, and we're going to just take a look through that. On the website now, I'll leave a link for this in the description as well. So when you click on the link for the website, this is what you'll be brought to. This is the first page of it. So first ever platform where you can loan against NFTs. DeFi For You, a new decentralized peer-to-peer loan economy and the first ever peer-to-peer NFT trading platform built on the Binance Smart Chain, powered by the DFY. That's the ticker for the DeFi For You token, smart contract token, and it is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. So first off, for anybody who isn't aware of lending within DeFi, how it works, how DeFi For You are gonna work theirs is you're gonna stake. The person who wants to borrow can't just borrow and not have the funds to pay it back. The person borrowing will have to lock up their NFT or lock up their, just for example, Bitcoin. They'll lock up that in a smart contract, and the lender will lend them whatever amount of money. For DeFi For You, the collateral that you put up for the loan has to be greater than the loan. So the lender is always secure that they know they're going to get their funds back. They're not at risk. Either they'll get it back through the collateral being liquidated for the borrower, or they'll get it back when the borrower pays it back to them. So either way, the lender is safe, and the terms of the agreement are set up by the lender, and they're set up in the smart contract, so they are immutable. So that's the power of the DeFi world and how lending and borrowing works within it, and why it's so powerful. And I think, like they said, they are the first. I'm not sure if they are the first, but that's what they're saying. They're the first platform to allow you to use your NFTs as collateral for lending. Now, I think DeFi For You is going to be a big project if they get the FCA license. I think that's huge. Using your NFTs for collateral, I'm not too interested in that. I'm interested in using my Bitcoin as collateral if I was borrowing, because the point of this, you don't want to be selling your Bitcoin to take profits or to use it. In terms of, you want to keep your Bitcoin long term, but you still want to be able to spend money and use it, is you stake your Bitcoin and then you get another currency, a stable currency, something like that, and you'll be able to use a stable currency and pay back the loan and take your Bitcoin back, the same amount of Bitcoin back as you had. So with the difference in prices in Bitcoin, you don't want to sell your Bitcoin now and then it go up 30%. You want to stake that Bitcoin as collateral, take money for it, pay back that, but you still have your sum of Bitcoin and it will have gone up that 30%. So you still have that. You're not losing out on the gains that Bitcoin's making. You're just using that as collateral that you will get back once you pay back the loan. So that's basically, I know that was a bit long-winded, but that's basically how lending and borrowing works within the DeFi world and why it's so powerful, because the terms are put into the smart contract, so they're immutable on the public ledger. So, bit long-winded that, but just for you, anyone who doesn't know how the lending and borrowing works within DeFi, that is basically it. So if I scroll down to the website now, so all the different coins. We've built a decentralized peer-to-peer loan economy on the blockchain. Traditional loans are inflexible and inaccessible to most people in 2021. DeFi has proven there is a working use case in decentralizing such financial services. Blockchain comes with anonymity and removes trusted third parties, which limits the types of loans that can be issued. Why? Because some people are more likely to pay back the loan than others. This is the area where you have to offer up your collateral first, so the lender knows he's safe. Trust and reputation still matters when issuing loans. Defi For You solves this by building an irrefutable, verifiable reputation system on the blockchain and tying it together with decentralized finance services. So think about this compared to just taking a regular loan. Even in normal life, normal financial banking, if a person with like terrible credit wanted to get a loan against something, even if he had the collateral, he still might not be able to get it. But with the DeFi world, he has the collateral, he puts that up and he can get the loan. And even if for the reasons he has bad credit, if they're legitimate reasons and he's bad financially, he's put up the collateral, so the lender is still safe. So DeFi For You solves this by we've gone through that. The result is a peer-to-peer loan economy whereby lenders can trivially repossess collateral via smart contracts. Now, for the first time, peer-to-peer loans can be issued to anyone regardless of their reputation. So here we just have a little graphic: decentralized finance, a new decentralized peer-to-peer loan economy built on the Binance Smart Chain, powered by the DFY smart contract BEP20 token. And the permissions: transparent, trustless, censorship resistant, programmable, decentralized. So we have collateralized loans, offer or receive loans using cryptocurrency, NFTs and other assets as collateral. Terms and interest are negotiated directly between lenders and borrowers and stored in an irrefutable smart contracts. So that's another big point about it. So like, say your interest rates, the terms of the agreement, the times of the agreement are purely organized between you and the lender and the borrower. They're an agreed thing set by them. Not one of them can set it and the other one disagree with it and still have the contract go through. They have to both agree on it, and there's no third party taking a cut of it or setting the rules for them. It is a purely agreement between the buyer and the lender and the borrower. Finance NFTs. You can use your NFTs as collateral, allowing you to finance them without having to sell them. This means you can earn from your NFTs instead of having them just sit there gathering digital dust. Now the using your NFTs as collateral, I like the idea of the NFT coins, and I do think that NFTs are going to be around to stay, but just currently in the crypto world, there's a lot of junk NFT actual pieces of art that are selling for crazy now because it's just a new craze. So finance your NFTs. Personally, with me, I wouldn't let someone put up an NFT as collateral. Just not how new they are in the space. I think they're around to stay. They are something, but I think the price of NFTs are probably going to be more volatile than crypto itself, maybe going forward till things level out and we're going through this madness period. So you can trade your NFTs on DeFi For You. You can buy and sell NFTs on our platform as well, including any that you obtain through liquidated collateral. This opens a uniquely competitive market where you can potentially buy NFTs below their usual market value. So you'll be able to buy and sell as well. Users will be able to buy and sell, rent and pawn goods and services on the platform using fiat cash or cryptocurrency as payment in accordance with local laws and regulations. So DFY, yes, the DFY is BEP20 token. So we've gone through this. This ensures transactions are practically instant with extremely low fees. Some of the markets that you can get the DFY token on. First, another thing to mention is, like I said, it's a UK registered company. Their developer team is in Vietnam. So here's just some of the markets that you can buy the DFI token right now. You can get it on CoinTiger, PancakeSwap, BakerySwap, how to pronounce that one, and Hotbit. So the team, another thing we've always said, a crypto project should have their team on the website. If they don't have the team, it's a big warning sign. If they don't show the team, it's the first red flag I look for. And so the CEO and founder of DeFi For You is Adam Chaplin. Adam was a co-founder of Travala and is a former Royal Marine Commando. His decades of business and military experience make him a capable and reliable leader. And if you want to hear from him and see him, go over to the YouTube channel. He is featured in some of the videos. We've got the CTO, CEO, strategic partner, CMO. They've all the people listed. You've got some of their LinkedIns and Facebooks beside it as well. There really is a professional looking outfit altogether. And like I said, it's something I'm invested in. I like the look of it, and just the FCA licensing that they're trying to get. Currently, I don't think they have them, and this is something I'm going to be probing the team for, and it is something I'm going to be keeping track of, because if they don't get the FCA licensing, then I don't know if I'll be staying in the DFY token. But if they get that the FCA licensing, I will be staying in it, and I'll probably be buying a bit more. I think that is it for this video. I wanted to just get you in on this, and like I said, it was a sponsored view, but I wanted to let you know about this one as well, just with that the FCA licensing possibly coming up soon. So that is it for this video. All links will be in the description, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.